Alright fellas, I'm out in the garage this morning and tell you what, I'm keeping an eye on this weather because we had a lot of rain last night and it's raining this morning, and I'm keeping an eye on that hurricane barrel coming up from Texas because we're getting some of the effects from it, and we're supposed to have severe weather this afternoon and some high winds, so I'm kind of keeping an eye on that. But guys, let's go in here. I have got a finished model to show you boys. All right, get over here to the workbench. All right, now y'all know this is one I started this one a long time ago, and I didn't like how things were going, so I boxed her back up, but then I pulled her back out. And this is what we got, boys. Now, this is the AMT 5-window coupe, 36 Ford. Y'all remember I built the Revell 36 Ford here a while back. It was a 3-window, but this one came out pretty good. I painted this one with the new splash paint. It's called Area 51. Boy, it's just a good looking color, isn't it? I really dig it. And I sprayed that 2K urethane clear over this, which works really well. Now the running boards and the roof insert I painted with this Tamiya's XF85 rubber black. I like that paint. I tried to make that roof look a little rough, like that looked back in the day, because that was a cloth roof, guys, and I don't know if I captured that effect or not, but I think it looks okay. These wheels and tires are from Jay's. I always get my wheels and tires from him. Boy, he's got some good stuff. Got those big old disc brakes in there. And I put the red calipers on it. Now, all the chrome on this car, I painted with this Tamiya's TS38 gunmetal. I wanted to go with a little bit different look. So, you know, the grill, the Nerf bars, the bezels on the headlights, door handles, everything. I painted with that. That hood's not going to stay in place. I'm going to tell you about that hood here in a second, guys. That hood just would not stay in. It was a very poor fitting. Guys, I worked on it and I kind of gave up. The rumble seat does work, guys. It does work. I got her working. This one was a little bit more to get working versus the Revell kit. And boy, I'll tell you, the interior tub, when I went to fit that in there, I already had the windshield in, and that dash was way too high. There was no way that was going to work. So I had to end up removing the dash off of the interior tub and cutting down almost 1/8 of an inch and lowering that dash. But I got her in there. But man, that was a rough one. I think I got a pretty good stance on this one. Looking pretty good. That's the stock engine I went with. Turned out pretty good. All I did was wire it, put the spark plug boots on, and made me up a little XL coil and wired it. Got that front grille painted in that gunmetal. Looks pretty good. I like this color. I like the color of the wheels and the body color. They go together really well. On this hood, this had an arm emblem up front. Man, I tell you, it was a two-piece. That it's hard to see where it says V8. That gets glued on. That just did not want to fit up front here. It's just a very poor fit, guys. But you know, it was a nice kit. I went with the old school style tail lights, and I put the Nerf bars on it, so the bumpers, and that's the kit license plate. I think she turned out pretty good looking. I like it. Now, guys, I'm gonna shut this off. I'm gonna pull out that Revell 36 Ford Coupe, and we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison here because I want to show y'all my thoughts on it. So hang on, boys. All right, guys, here they are side by side. This is the Revell kit that I built here a while back. It's a 3-window coupe. And this is one I just finished. This is the AMT kit. It's 5-window. And, well, I'll tell you, they both look killer. On the Revell kit, that hood fit really nice up there on that grill shell and everything. Just fit really well versus the AMT. It just does not want to fit very well at all. Let me get my pointer here, guys. Instead of putting my fat finger out there, the running boards on the AMT kit, they are part of the fenders, so it makes it rougher to hand paint that rubber black on the running boards versus the Revell kit. These running boards are separate, so you can spray those. That was really nice. Now the interior tub and the windshield, all the glass on this Revell kit fit really well. The AMT kit, it just didn't fit as well. Let's just put it that way. But the Revell kit is a much better kit in my opinion. Everything about this kit went together fairly decent. But this one here just kind of gave me some fits, but both are pretty nice. Let's take these off. Let's get the rumble seat open on this one. I made both kits. I made the rumble seats operational. This one, it just works really well. And now I'm not going to close this one back up because it's a little bit tight and I might rub some paint. But it looks good. I like the way they both came out. This one, I stuck the flatty in that one. And this one's got the V8 in it. They're both good looking kits once you get them together. I mean, they've got issues. I really like the J's resin wheels and tires that I put on this one. I'll put a link in the description. On the Revell kit, I used the stock wheels and tires. But I think they both turned out really well. I like them. I just like these old body styles. I think I used the same color interior for both of these. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, I think it worked well on both colors. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end this. Just want to get this video out there. I finished this 36 Ford 5-window coupe earlier this morning, and I think she came out pretty sharp now. Alright guys, I'm done.